Good morning. Alrighty. Post that up. Boom. Go to YouTube. What's up, everyone? Good morning. Live post. There we go. And then I guess we'll try TikTok again. Did not let me do TikTok last night. It didn't like it. It froze my entire computer. So let's hope, fingers crossed, it doesn't do it again. There we go. How you guys doing this morning? Did it snow where you guys live? Because there's a lot of snow on the ground right now where I'm at. Come on, TikTok. Oh my lord, did it cut out? Please don't be doing this. You guys still hear me? Hopefully. It says I'm still live. Cool. Let's rock and roll. Awesome. I don't know where everybody's at. Usually we have way more people by now. Oh well. They'll start tapping in here in a little bit. Maybe everybody's sleeping in. Alright, let's see. Go live. Create daily watch list. Boom, boom. Cool. Awesome. Alright, let's just hop right into it. So white stuff. Of the white stuff. So pretty much, I mean, we did most of our analysis last night. So hopefully you guys joined the weekly watch list that I did. But as far as bounces on ES goes, I don't know why I still have this. Oh wait, that's extensions to the upside. So, I mean, as far as ES, really not too interested in bounces until we start getting down towards like this 47.70 level. So, I mean, we're pretty far away, about 30 points. And then after that, all the way down at 47.54. So as far as ES, I mean, there might not really be a setup here today, which we'll just have to wait and see, but not my ideal situation going on here on ES, for sure. So yeah, I mean, the plan is very simple. We get above here. I want to look for uptrends. And I'm not against, taking an uptrend entry down here. It's just I don't really see anything that sparks my interest too much. What was this? I mean, maybe the overnight low we could potentially use. Maybe a liquidity sweep there. But yeah, the main area is going to be if price can get down towards this low down here, 47.70, and then 61.8. And then, I mean, either or, if we start downtrending intraday or uptrending intraday, then I'll look and see if we can find a trend entry from there. But yeah, that's pretty much it on ES. Let's take a look at SPY. It's snowing hard again now. They haven't even plowed my road yet. I pay for them to do that, and they still haven't even done it. But let's see, as far as SPY, it's going to be the same thing. We'll see what happens if we get down towards 437 or 473.70. Maybe a liquidity sweep down there. If we really start to pull, then we can watch fibs, but again, we're pretty far away. And then if we can actually crack this high, 478.70, then look for that uptrend entry from there. Good morning. I was wondering where everybody's at. The YouTube live is feeling light this morning. Typically, we have like double the amount of people in here by now. But yeah, best bet is to look for intraday trend entries. The main thing that I'm still watching on ES and SPY, we talked about this last night, is going to be that daily squeeze that we have going on. So that's the main thing I want to watch. Anything near that daily 21 EMA, I want to see if we can buy it up and create support there. If that's the case, I'm definitely willing to try swings, aiming for this 127 up here. So yes, watch that that daily squeeze setup on ES and SPY. Cool. Let's take a quick look at NQ and QQQ. We'll get to individuals here in a minute. If you just remind me when we start looking at the individuals, I'll take a look at borrow for you. As far as NQ, I mean, same thing, just trading in between levels. I'll be interested in rejects if we can get up into this 1 hour supply zone that we have right here. But what is that? Like 100, 200 points away. So yeah, would really just be interested to see what happens up there. Does look like a very small demand here. It's not like a super exciting level that I would watch, but maybe a little bit of potential there. We'll see. Watch these previous lows. And then next demand's all the way down here. This is the demand that I'm very interested in this week. So if we can actually like somehow get down there, I'd be willing to look for a bounce. You like the New York City vlog? Thank you. Yeah, if you guys haven't watched it yet, highly suggest watching the New York vlog that I uploaded last night. Little Team Bull meetup. But yeah, interested way down there. Rejects way up here on NQ. So again, we're kind of just trading in between levels, not super interesting stuff. But cool. That's it for NQ. Take a quick look at QQQ. It's pretty much going to be the same stuff, but you can see we have that same supply zone right here. You can see it. QQQ has tested it a few times already. So if it makes its way back up into there, we'll see what happens. As far as bounces, I mean, really not too interested in anything. Again, just trading in between levels. We can watch previous lows and see what happens, but main thing I'm watching is still going to be that that demand if we can somehow get down there. So cool. All right, that's it with QQQ. Let's run through. Let's run through the individuals as well as the weekly watch list. See if we see any good setups. Apple gap down. Really only interested in Apple if it gets down towards this 178.64. It's part of the weekly watch list. If it can get down there, plus we have a daily gap. If it can get above 188.44, look for it to fill into 191.72. So watch that. AMD kind of has like a little cup and handle going on here. We can put a question mark next to AMD. Not my favorite setup, but there could be potential there. Amazon, we talked about that one last night. We don't care about Boeing. Of course it hit it. So this 211.12 was my main bounce level that I was waiting for on Boeing. So let's see what happens. If we can open near it, maybe spike below it very quickly and then reclaim it, I'm very interested in trying longs. Very, very interested. So we'll see. Where did that level come from? Pivot low, pivot high, 211.12. So we'll see what happens. But very, very interested in that one. It's probably going to be at the top of the list. Coin, don't care about. Costco, still grinding higher. CRM, don't care about. GLD, getting clobbered. Google, don't care about. IWM, don't care about. Meta. What's up? Good morning. Still want to look for an uptrend entry on Meta. This is strong, set new 52-week highs. And it's not too far away from all-time highs at 384. That's like the next resistance level that we have is all the way up there. So we'll see. Didn't give you the live notification. That's probably why a lot of people aren't joining. Microsoft still ripping. Uptrend entry is what I would prefer on this. Ideally a 1 hour 21 EMA bounce. But yeah, we're trading at all-time highs on Microsoft. So if it's strong, look for more upside on there. Netflix, don't care about. NVDA has that little symmetrical triangle we talked about, breaking above it. So could look for an uptrend entry there. That actually looks really good. So get rid of AMD. And then put NVIDIA. If you guys could real quick, also make sure to hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 130 people in here and only 32 likes. So make sure you guys take 2 seconds, hit that like button if you guys want this watch list posted in the chat today. And then for the people who are watching on TikTok, I am also live on my YouTube, Brandon Trades. Hold on 1 second. Live on my YouTube, Brandon Trades. Over 850 plus free videos teaching you on how to trade. 68,000 subscribers. We're getting super close to 69,000. But yeah, highly suggest checking out the YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. Tap into the live streams and take advantage of all the free education that I have to offer. But cool. Let's get back into this. Good morning. We already looked at QQQ, Roku. Don't care about. Shopify, don't care about. SPX. 4808 is going to be all-time highs. Or what is it? 4818 is all-time highs. So if it can actually get up there, I'd be interested. And Tesla doing Tesla things. I mean, if the market gets weak, I'd say Tesla's our best bet to watch shorts on. Towards like that 1 hour 21 EMA. But as far as the individuals that I like today the most, Boeing, Meta, Microsoft, NVIDIA. I know that I really like Boeing. I really like the NVIDIA. And Microsoft also looks really good. So if I had to pick my top three, it'd be that. Alrighty. And then, if you guys weren't in here last night, when I was making the weekly watch list, a few swings that I have on watch. First one being LW. Want to see if we can get as close to that 21 EMA as possible. The 110 calls are very, very cheap for February. So anything towards like 105.50. Put that on my other screen real quick. LW. There we go. But yeah, towards 105.50, would like to see if we can get some support there. Going to be looking for a swing. And then MUB. Same thing. As close to that 21 EMA as possible, towards like 108. 109 calls have a decent amount of liquidity. And then MasterCard. same thing. 21 EMA, 421. That has to happen this week, however, just because there's really not liquidity in February's contract. So if they can pull back, what was that? 421.7. 425 calls have a decent amount of liquidity for this week. So I'd probably treat it as a lotto. But cool. TSLY, I own it, yes. Yes, I do. But what time is it? 8:20? Let's check this economic calendar real quick, see what we got today. Empire State Manufacturing, really not too interested in that. And then a Fed speaker at 11, so really not too much. Cool. So I guess in the meantime, while we're sitting here chilling, any stocks that you guys want me to look at that I haven't looked at already? Post them up in the chat. You can post them in the YouTube. You can post them on TikTok. Either or. Start taking a look at them, and once 8:30 gets a little closer, narrow the list, finalize levels, and call it a day. What you guys got for me? We'll go back to SPY at 8:30. We did SPY. The SPY and ES is the very first thing I do in the morning. Very first thing. What's up, Ronald? Channel member, greatly appreciated. Pinterest. Yeah. I mean, the fibs are all the way up there. As far as the setup, though, I'd say the best bet is to stay patient and wait for price to come back into this zone. Previous resistance turns support. But as far as other time frames, really not too interested in setups here. So that'd be your best bet. Anywhere from 29 to 30.50 or 30.80 is what I would watch. Amazon, we looked at. Nothing that I'm too interested there. I mean, if anything, you can look for an uptrend entry, but yeah. Abigo, I think it filled the gap that we talked about. Yeah, it opened and filled the gap. So if it wants more upside, it has to clear 1115 or whatever this high was right there. So you can watch that, but the daily gap already got filled. And then let's see, DKNG. 3105 and 2980 is the bounce that I have for DraftKings. It's personally what I would watch. Till then, I would stay patient. TNA. It's going to be your 10-year yield, isn't it? Isn't that? Oh, wait, no. I'm thinking of TNX. Or whatever the other one is. TNA. Let's see. I mean, I don't ever trade things like this. You should just trade the actual stocks that this is tracking. So it looks like it's tracking small caps, which would be what? IWM? Same price action. I would just go and trade IWM personally. But it's going to be the same thing. If you really want to watch that TNA, then look for bounces down here at 32, 29.50. But IWM is the same exact setups. 183.50, 178.40. Yes, to get access to the rest of the boot camps from boot camp 1, you have to be a YouTube channel member. So if you want to become a YouTube channel member, just head on over to the channel, click this join button right there, and then you'll get access to the rest. All these. Some of them are free, but again, if you want access to the rest, channel members only. What other stocks we got? Got 5 minutes till we can narrow this list. We're just trading questions in general. What y'all got? Even for the ones in the TikTok, feel free to ask. Or we can sing Nickelback if you guys want. Mara. Still with Team Bull? Absolutely. See, it's at 1884. This is the level that I had for support, so it depends if it can hold. See support over here, resistance over here. Might actually go a little lower into like 1830. So it depends on how Mara treats this level. So pretty big support zone. If it loses 1830, then I wouldn't touch it, but for now, I would look to see if it can support it, see if buyers come in. And if they do, you can look for a long with a stop right below 18.3. But yeah, see how they react to it. We swinging SPY. Depends on how it reacts to that daily squeeze and daily 21 EMA. So look for that pullback to 47.63. See how we treat it. Could sit there and squeeze for a little bit too, like it did over here. Massive daily squeeze, fired up. Saw a massive move up. So we'll see. No, I haven't traded any other futures. But I mean, maybe in the future, we'll see. Maybe start swinging, or not swinging, but trading gold futures, oil futures, etc. But mainly just ES and NQ. See if we have any setups. I don't know yet. I'll have to look at the contracts. Not sure. Yeah, no smaller time frame setups right now. Boom. For real, John, it was free money. You just had to answer 2 basic ass questions. You made $100. Easy. But hey, that's New York for you. People don't care. Cool. Well, let's narrow these stocks, finalize levels, and call it a day. Again, if you guys want this watch list, make sure to hit that like button. We got still 130 people in here, 60 likes. If you guys want it, run up them likes. Take 2 seconds to hit it. But as far as ES, SPY, QQQ, NQ, I mean, no. She got $100 and didn't even subscribe to the channel. How rude of her. But as far as SPY and QQQ, I mean, really not too interested until we hit those levels. So yeah, just gonna have to wait. We're at a weird level. Main thing I'm gonna watch is the daily SPY squeeze. It's just, that's gonna be the main thing I watch this entire week. So watch that. Boeing really depends on how it reacts to 11.12. If it can hold it, I like more upside. Meta. I think our best bets: Microsoft, NVIDIA. NVIDIA definitely for an uptrend entry. Okay, I mean, SPY and QQQ definitely are not my focus today. I'll say that much. Let's see. We'll do SPY / yes. So yeah, SPY ES, main thing I'm watching is going to be the daily squeeze. We'll see what happens at the 21 EMA. Boeing. Oops. Boeing, Microsoft. Ouch. Or 21 EMA. Cool. I like it. That's the watch list today. Thanks for the follow. Cool. All right. Give this watch list, everybody, in Team Bull. Give it to YouTube channel members. And then I'll tell you what, since there's like, I guess everybody's sleeping in today, or the notification didn't go out that I'm live, all you guys got to do is hit 100 likes. I'll give you guys a watch list on the YouTube live stream. 100 likes. I think you guys can do it. But let's give this to YouTube channel members so you guys have it. Boom. Bang. YouTube channel members, you all have it. What do we need? We need 15 more likes. I think you guys can do that. Yeah, we're we're going to call it an early live stream because we did most of the analysis last night. So call it an early day today. Thanks for the subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. $10 more likes. You guys get it. What is this? Looks like they're liking the news. The Empire State News. Now I'm gonna go chill till market opens. Gonna go chill. 8 more likes. But yeah, we're kind of just trading in the middle of nowhere. Not in love with anything besides those individuals. Yeah, I was watching the Steelers get smacked last night. Disappointed. Disappointed in them. 3 more likes. Guess I should get ready to give you guys this watch list. I mean, SPY and QQQ not in love with, but individuals, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Boeing all look good. All right, so as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. So here's the watch list today. SPY DS, again, mainly watching that daily setup. Nothing intraday that I'm in love with right now. But as far as individuals, Boeing, I really like as long as it holds that level. Microsoft, very strong. So look for an uptrend entry there or even a bounce. And then NVIDIA is breaking that 1 hour symmetrical triangle that we talked about last night. So, yeah, those are my setups for today. But again, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you aren't already. Everybody on TikTok, I do go live on my channel every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, plus over 850 free videos teaching you on how to trade. So make sure you guys check out the YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. And YouTube channel members, make sure, or not channel members, but YouTube subscribers, anybody in here watching on YouTube, make sure you guys have them bell notifications on so you do get notified when I upload new videos, as well as when I do go live every single morning. But yeah, I think that's going to wrap it up today. Everybody have a blessed day. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 30 minutes. Other than that, I'll talk to everybody else bright and early tomorrow morning. Hope you all make some money. Have a good one, and peace out.